Monarchs, and hello 2022. I hope you all spend the holidays thriving and vibing. This week's video I have an inspo for next month, which is Valentine's Days, my favorite. I got this Beatles nail kit from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I'm filing down the tips with my electric nail filer. I also had my nail tips pre-measured. I'm using my filer to file down my natural nails, dusting off all the nails because we don't need no residue on them. This is the nail glue the kit came with, so I'm going to be adding a good amount onto the tips and pressing down firmly and curing that under the UV lamp. When applying the nail glue, make sure you add a good amount, like not too small of the nail glue or not too much of the nail glue, and then make sure once you press down firmly onto your nails that there are no air bubbles. This was a little mistake I did. I forgot to plug in my UV lamp to the electricity. And so what happened is obviously my nail glue kind of, dried out. Not really, but it kind of dried out. So I did apply a smaller amount on it as well. I pressed down firmly and I made sure that there were no air bubbles. And then from there, I did cure them. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on with the rest of my nails. These are my nails before anything. I'm using my Kiss nail tip cutter to cut the length of my nails to my desired length. Now the only thing I'm doing is filing down a bit the sides and making the edges straight. I'm using this Sally Hansen's nail color in the number 30. I'm applying that to all of my nails and of course curing the nails after. Of course, do not forget to dust off your nails before anything. Now with this LA color in the number 406, I'm going to be applying some designs onto my nails. I'm going to be using this size brush. On my pinky, I'm going to be doing a letter X. On my ring finger, a letter O. I have heard that using a dotting tool can help when doing a heart. So I tried it, but honestly, with my size brush, it honestly would have worked even without. But I did do a heart on my pointer finger. I'm going to be applying 2 different size red rhinestones for my middle finger. I'm using the nail glue to stick them onto my nails. Do not forget to cure your nails after. For my thumb, I'm painting on some pink sparkly nail polish. I honestly don't know where I got them, and unfortunately it doesn't have like a number. Using my Kiss Gel Shine on all my nails and curing that after. So these are how they turned out to be. I think that they came out pretty cute. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think of them. Any ideas, feel free to share them. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!